The Idiomatic Association of Urdu and English, Maksud Hasni, Kasr. The natives of a languages use idioms in their speaking according to their literal and stylish needs. Or what they write or speak is called idiomatic. But attention is not paid in the direction that their idiom or written things do not get importance and meaningfulness without public acceptance. Not only this, even general popularity does not become the lot of such idioms or written things. Such an idiom's only the beauty of books. In fact, idiom provided by the native scholars of a language becomes popular in public as it is or changed form according to the temperament, likes and dislike, trends and common use of the people. It happens too that the common use/daily use of the natives becomes an idiom for the public. It also happens that an idiom provided by the public flourishes among the natives with all its literal and stylish charms. And then it returns to the public with new manners or the literal touch to become a need. It is absolutely incorrect that something stand by the natives is the final or nothing is correct besides or is nothing in itself. The ability and literal dimensions of the natives have their own importance. What they say has the literal authenticity. But all this has not importance unless public popularity is not achieved. Their idiom does not get more importance than that of literal embellishment. Though it is considered related with rhetoric by the natives, yet it falls into the category alienation. The word cuffly, though is incorrect, yet it has its identity in masses with all its references. The word tabeidar meaning tabe farman is absolutely opposite in its means imada, is often heard zumewa. This matter is not limited to the languages and dialects of the subcontinent. This behavior has not been provided by the language scholars. However, they cannot remain isolated from it. Asami, Awal, Ayakwat, Hor etc. are used singulars. Horan, Kabran, Vatran, Spatra etc. are not incorrect among the Urdu speakers. While it is the Punjabi way of speaking, the interfusion of indigenous sounds into foreign or migrated words or the use of foreign or migrated words according to public trends is a common thing. The change of place, no doubt, affects human behavior, temperament and trend. In spite of this fact, man has been very close to other man with respect to temperament in countless matters. This matter can be judged though the link present in their language. The most delicate matter is related with idioms. Though the dissection of the culture of words, the association of temperament of human beings can be easily searched. Countless idioms have been used in languages without any change. The similarity of idioms shows that mutuality is found in man's a lot of affairs, trends, attitudes, preferences and need of various kinds. It is incorrect to relate the matter of human division to the apparent distance of languages. Chinese is the most spoken language of the world of today. Urdu is the second great language of the world. But with respect to its singular and compound sounds, flexibility, it's the most important and subtle language of the world. On the contrary, English cannot be neglected because of its present reign. Nor can we breathe a sigh of relief without it. Some intellectuals think that development is not possible without it. After all, these three languages are the most important languages of the world. I am describing some common idioms of Urdu and English so that the matter may become clear that in spite of distance, man is very close to man. Say O Safed black and white alif say Yatak alpha and omega starun chi Kurdish, Kismat Kamara, Sidr Cross Tank Katara pupil of one's eyes Rose Roshan Kaitara Ayan abroad daylight Jahidam main go to hell Madar much Kansu crocodile teeth Kali bitter black sheep Safed Hathaya white elephant. Gaddafi banana to make someone an ass on lion Jalabathana to burn one's finger off Makun Kaigana to fool's paradise Barbad Kona go to dog word bande witch Bazari Mahavra go to the Patang Kodful Paharodful out of sight out of mind Jogurd te hain wo birthday nahain barking dogs seldom translated by Prof. Idiomatic.